Governor John Duncan says the British Virgin Islands has an important role to play in the global business marketplace, especially in financial services, but it needs to strengthen its communication links and regulatory framework.
I think that the British Virgin Islands is in a very strong position, economically, socially, legislatively. We have big challenges ahead. We need to strengthen the communication links. The government has that on its agenda. I think it's a cross-party support view that we need to strengthen communication links. The regulatory framework. We have the position to be, with the ability to be the best in the world, the place to come to. But there are things that we need to do. We need to strengthen that regulatory function. But they are not, they shouldn't be seen as strictures. In today's competitive environment, the BVI has an extraordinarily important role to play in the way that the global economy has globalized. If you want to have supply chains, which I've seen when I was in France as the director for UK Trade and Investment, which are truly global, which go across the world, you want a mechanism that allows you to come in, set up those relationships with companies across the world, where it's governed by a legal system that you can trust, like English law. There aren't many places in the world that can offer what the BVI offers. We need to make sure that we up our game. It's not about just responding to those who complain about tax havens. It's about getting the BVI into the right place so that its offer is the world-class offer. People continue to come here because it's the place to do business. I think we're on the right lines. It's a difficult path over the next few years to get there, but I'm pretty sure we can do it.
The governor was addressing the Rotary Club of Road Town weekly dinner held at the Moorings Conference Room on September 3rd. Governor Duncan also says British overseas territories should have better access to English culture and society.
You have no representation in our parliament, for example. The BBC does not broadcast to these islands. There are things that socially and culturally we should be doing to make sure that the overseas territories who have decided to be British have as much access to British culture and society as they would like to have. And I think that's an important area that the governor can play a role. I know I'm going to see my other governor colleagues for the Caribbean in about 2 weeks' time. We have a regional conference. And I know that's one of the things that they're concerned about, that we may be a long way from the United Kingdom, but some of the things in the global society that we have today, where access is instantaneous, we've perhaps fallen a little way behind. Part of that bringing people and giving people access to our society is going to be or it has been announced, the Chevening Scholars, which our own scholarships from the UK end, with our own scholarships here. The Chevenings are for tertiary education, mostly postgrads, and a lot of senior leaders across the overseas territories have benefited from that. So we're asking people to apply for that. So there are all sorts of things in that area where I think personally, and I know my other governor colleagues feel the same, we should do more. We should make sure that the culture, the friendship between the United Kingdom and the overseas territories, those links are strong and they are strengthened.
Governor Duncan, who says his ambition over the past 30 years has been to make the world a better place, became a member of the BVI Rotary family on Thursday, September 4th, when he was officially installed as a member of the Rotary Club of Tortola during its weekly luncheon.